Let us take another example. Here, molecular ion peak is appeared at 88. Molecular formula is C4H8O2. Mass is 88. So that we get from here. So if we calculate index of hydrogen deficiency, it is a 1. So from that we can conclude that one double bond present, either one double bond or one alicyclic compound might be present. Now in IR spectra at 1741 there is a carbonyl carbon peak CO stretching is observed, and 2984 there is a CS stretching is observed. So no other peak is observed in IR spectra. Now in NMR spectra, we are getting three different peaks. One is singlet, another is triplet, and another again that is for quadruplet. Okay. Now this singlet, what it indicate? So to these neighboring position, no any proton is available. So that's why it gives a singlet. This is appeared at triplet. That means to that neighboring carbon, two protons should be there. And quadruplet, that means neighboring carbon, 3 proton are there. Okay, so we can say that CH3 and CH2 both are attached with the single bond, and this singlet, it may be occurred somewhere, appeared at somewhere else position. So let us solve it first. So this is the CH3 group. So as we discussed, it is appeared as a triplet because here there are two proton are there, so n plus 1 rule. So it is appeared as a triplet, and it is triplet of this CH3 group. Here it's a methylene group is there, CH2, which is directly attached with the acyl group. This is the acyl group of the ester. So due to electronegativity, it is appeared around the 4.2 something. Okay, and this methyl group, which is appeared as a singlet because of no neighboring proton is there. So this CH3 group, which is appeared as a singlet, so this is a singlet of this methyl group which is attached with the carbonyl carbon. This is a CH3 group which is appeared as a triplet. So this triplet is for this CH3 group because to their neighbor two protons are there, so it is appeared as a triplet. And this CH2 group, it is appeared around 4.2 because of this oxygen, and which is appeared as a quadruplet because of two neighbor, three proton are there and n plus 1, so that gives a quadruplet. So by this way we can solve the structures. This is the exact delta value. So this is appeared as a singlet with 2.2 ppm because it is attached with the carbonyl carbon. Here it's a triplet 1.3 ppm. Generally it is appeared at 0.9, but here inductive effect is operated. So this is alpha and beta carbon is there, so inductive effect is operated to gamma carbon. So due to that it appear at 1.3 ppm, and these carbon, methylene carbon, appear at 4.2 ppm with quadruplet because of two neighbor, three protons are there, so which is appeared or split as a quadruplet, and the CH2 group directly attached with the oxygen, so that's why it is appeared at 4.2 ppm. Now we are getting IHD1. So based on these interpretation, that should be one double bond is present. So it is again confirmed by this carbonyl carbon. So that's why we are getting IHD value, IHD index is 1. Now in mass spectra, molecular weight is 88. So we are getting basically one intense peak, or we can say base peak, at 43. So when in this structure, if we remove this fragment OCH2CH3, so this 88 minus this 43, this is a fragment of OCH2CH3, so that gives idea about the base peak. So by fragmentation pattern we can also confirm the structures that we deduce from